In 2021, Microsoft made a significant decision. They retired Skype for Business. This move marked the end of an era for the platform. Skype for Business was once a popular choice for business communication. Microsoft had acquired Skype in 2011 for a hefty $8.5 billion. This acquisition showed their belief in Skype's potential. However, the technology landscape evolved. Microsoft shifted its focus to a newer platform, Microsoft Teams. The decision to retire Skype for Business was driven by the changing needs of businesses. The modern workplace demands seamless collaboration and integration. Microsoft Teams emerged as a more comprehensive solution. It offered a wider range of features designed for today's work environment. Microsoft Teams quickly gained traction as a central hub for workplace communication. It offered a variety of features that surpassed Skype for Business. Teams provided chat, video conferencing, and file sharing capabilities all in one place. This integration streamlined workflows and enhanced productivity. One of the key advantages of Teams was its deep integration with other Microsoft products. It seamlessly connected with Office 365 applications like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. This integration made it easy for users to collaborate on documents and share files within the Teams environment. Moreover, Teams offered robust features for team management and project collaboration. Users could create dedicated channels for specific projects, teams, or topics. This helped organize conversations and keep everyone on the same page. It's important to distinguish between Skype for Business and the consumer version of Skype. While both platforms offered communication features, they targeted different audiences and use cases. Skype for Business, as the name suggests, was designed for business use. Skype for Business provided features tailored for professional settings such as enterprise-grade security, compliance tools, and integration with other business applications. It allowed for larger meetings and offered more control over participant settings. On the other hand, the consumer version of Skype remained a popular choice for personal communication. It allowed users to connect with friends and family through video and voice calls, instant messaging, and file sharing. Skype's simplicity and ease of use made it a favorite among individuals worldwide. While Skype for Business might be retired, its impact on the evolution of communication technology is undeniable. Skype played a pivotal role in popularizing video conferencing and making it accessible to the masses. Its influence can still be seen in the features and functionalities of modern communication platforms. Microsoft's decision to retire Skype for Business and focus on Teams reflects the ever-changing nature of technology. As the workplace continues to evolve, we can expect further innovation in communication and collaboration tools. The future holds exciting possibilities for how we connect and work together.